So like any small business, we know in order to survive and grow, we're going to have to modernize and we're going to have to automate. With all the pressures that businesses have these days, we don't have an internal IT department, so we went looking for a partner, and we feel very fortunate that we were able to find InData. Previous to our partnership with InData, we did all our logging by hand. We did all our information gathering and all our data collection and data entry by hand. InData's automated that for us between their sensors and their data collection. Everything's collected automatically now.
So InData's software management program allows us to track the productivity of each employee, and we can analyze that information and see where we need to make changes in order to be maximizing our efficiency on our packing line. We installed temperature sensors. They are wireless, they have a 3-year battery life, and they transmit data to our system every 20 minutes, so we're able to monitor the current temperature in the coolers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and then we also include that data into our food safety program. When we made the change and went with InData, they've been more than supportive. They're quick to respond. We get great service from them and have been very happy with what they've been able to do for us.